Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial the top 5 terminal computer commands every programmer, Mac computer user must know before they open up the terminal in order to then start inserting commands which results in an output being shown on screen. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing we need to do is go all the way down to the dock, click on the application itself called Terminal, and now we are ready to insert the commands. Number 1, change directory. If we're on another directory, we have navigated from one place to another with the computer command, we can always go back to the home directory using cd change directory. If we are trying to print the working directory, all we need to do is insert pwd, which is the second command, and that shows the path of what the computer has taken in order to get to the home directory. The third command is ls. We want to list all the files, the folders in our current working directory, which is the home directory. And now if we are looking to open a folder, the only thing we need to do is type in open followed by the name of the folder itself, the directory, the repository, open documents. In case you're wondering, how did he go from typing DOC to the full word? All we need to do is click on tab after a couple of letters and the whole word is then printed on screen. Enter. Now we have opened up the folder, or should I say finder, of documents. Close finder itself, and now for the last command, which is number 5, clear the whole terminal. As you can see, all the commands are no longer visible. The screen has been cleared off. The commands will be in the description for you to take and then insert onto your terminal. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.